Hello and welcome to MFX Center's video commentary, and this is the week that we have started a bit late because of my health, but I tried to provide a setup yesterday on May 18th, and that setup first we're going to talk about that, and then we'll be covering what are the upcoming things that we are looking forward to. So yesterday I wrote about Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY as usual. That is provided every week on Monday on my website. So this website is mfxcenter.net. You can get the link below in the descriptions. And before I start the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the like button if you like our videos and make some profit out of it. So without further ado, let's start. So first we started with the Euro USD yesterday, and we expected the price to move higher towards 1.0950 to 1.10 a year. But on the contrary, we also wrote that a break below 1.08 will negate the bullish bias and push the price lower. But as per our expectation, the price pushed higher, and it did push higher quite well, and the price has gained over 100 pips and is still progressing higher. So currently, we are expecting the price to push towards 1.0950, and if the price manages to break above 1.0950, then we'll be looking forward to buy with the targets towards 1.1175. So that is a big trade coming up if the price breaks above 1.0950, or else, on the contrary, on the other side, if the panel places part, then the price will be rejecting it with an H4 close, and then we'll be looking forward to sell with the targets towards the 0 point, that is 1.0815, that is around 100 pips. So now for the traders who didn't take the trade based on the trade setup yesterday, I'm expecting you to wait and watch the market at 1.0950 with the H4 chart. Okay, so if the price breaks above it with H4, you're good to go for buy. If the price breaks below it or rejects it or pushes below 1.0950 with a strong bearish pressure, then we'll be looking forward to sell. Okay, so for the sellers, the target is 1.0815. Then the next currency pair covered is the GBP USD. Yes, GBP USD expected the price to move towards 1.2250 because the recent bearish momentum was quite impulsive and it was time for the mean reversion, and the market did that already. The market reverted back to the mean, and it is currently standing at 1.2200 area. Though 1.2250 is not yet touched by the price, but still there are certain ways that the price might touch there. But as per current scenario, as this is the H4 candle that is closing here already, so that does provide us with some clues that the price might push lower from 1.22, and it might push lower towards 1.20 area. But still, I'm not quite what I can say. I'm not quite feeling much of a confidence about selling it from here. I'll be waiting if the price moves higher towards 1.2250 for a better risk-reward ratio, and then I'll be looking forward to sell. In that case, I'll be getting around a stop loss of around 100 pips, and take profit will be 250. So that is like 1:2.5. So that might do my work. But as per current scenario, I don't find a good amount of swing to have a stop loss above it. So not quite selling it from here. But if you are an aggressive trader, you can try it. But that would take a much more risk for you. That is like 160 pips for getting 250. That is all quite bit of like 1:1.5. That is also pretty good. But still, if you're conservative, or if you want to save your capital for a bigger trade with better risk-reward ratio, so for that reason, I think you should wait for the price to touch 1.2250. Then you'll be looking for to sell. Okay. Then the next currency pair I discussed is USD JPY, and USD JPY I told yesterday that the price is residing between B to C area of the wave analysis. So this is the B point, this is the C point, and the price is residing between it. So The market is in range, and I'm not quite expecting it to provide some definitive momentum until 107.75 is broken above or 106.75 is broken below. So until the price breaks above or below this resistance range, excuse me, I'm expecting the price to range or correct more between this area, and it might find a strong resistance from this channel resistance as well, that is around 107.60, and from there we might see some bearish pressure before it breaks the 106.75. So to be very honest, I'm actually looking forward to sell as per the preceding trend. I'm actually looking forward to sell, but from a strong level. If it is from 107.75, if the price rejects and closes below with H4 impulsive close, I'll be looking forward to sell with targets towards 105.9 or 106 as my primary target, and for the ultimate target I'll be targeting 105.10. that is way below here, that is 105. So I'll be waiting and watching the market until the price reaches 107.75 or even 107.60. In this area, I'll be looking forward to sell the price with the preceding trend. Okay. Then the next currency pair comes in is Australian US dollar. Australian US dollar has broken above 0.65, and that is an important and very important level, to be very honest. The price did make some of the bloopers over there, but still I can hold above it. If the price can hold above the 0.65, there are certain chances that the price will be pushing higher towards 0.67. But if you ask me what is my personal opinion, in that case I'll be expecting you to wait until the 0.6475 area is touched, and then we'll be looking forward to buy, because 0.6475 has been creating a strong event level over here, and this strong event level will provide you a better risk ratio than this one. Okay, so we'll be trying to buy on the dip, and then we will looking forward to buy with a better risk ratio. And there is one thing to note, that is, if the price do not dip towards 0.6475 and it straight goes above towards 0.6560 area, then there is a higher chance that the price will be creating a triple top like this. One top, this is a kind of a second top, and a third top, and from there the price will be moving lower. And from there, if you just take a stop loss around 30 pips, you can get around 90 pips easily with this target. So that is risk ratio 1:3. So I think that is a pretty good trade for the short term, I think. If the price do not dips and provides enough bullish evidence to carry on with the recent bullish momentum. Okay, so there are two-way trades in the Australian US dollar. Then if you look at USD CAD, I'm expecting the price to move towards 1.40 before any bearish pressure is seen, and if the price rejects 1.40, I'll be looking forward to sell with targets towards 1.3850. Okay, so on the contrary, as the market is very much volatile currently, and it has already been creating some of the higher lows, so if the price breaks above 1.40, then I'll be expecting the price to move towards 1.4080. That is like a 80 pips trade. Good to play as per scalping techniques, but I'll be very much happy if the price rejects 1.40 and then shoots lower. So this is it for this week. Already those congratulations to those who have already taken the trade from our website yesterday, and they have already bagged in around 200 pips. And those who have not, you can actually follow the instructions, follow the setup that I've discussed with you in USD, GBPUSD, USD JPY, USD CAD, and Australian US dollar. So I hope you make a good amount of pips, and if you want to get more informational videos and more lessons from our channel, just subscribe our channel and like our video, And for your information, we are launching 2-minute trading school, and in that school we'll be discussing some of the most important aspects that will drastically improve your uh, trading performance, and that significant improve will help you to be more profitable in the long run. So for that, you need to stay tuned and be subscribed to our channel. Make sure you click on the bell icon so that whenever the 2-minute trading schools new lessons comes up, you'll be notified via YouTube. Okay, so thank you for being with MFX, and I hope you'll be getting more pips this week, and we'll be making more money in the next weeks as well. So thank you for being with